What's going on, everybody? It's the King Kuba. Welcome back to the channel. So today's going to be like a little vlog. I haven't cleaned my truck in a long time, and it's pretty cold out. It's 28 degrees right now. There's a huge winter storm coming tonight. So I got the black truck all cleaned up, got it nice and shiny, and we're about to put the white truck away for winter. So I should have done this like a month ago. I procrastinated, but yep, I do not drive her in the winter in the salt because I do not want it to rust away. I put too much time and money into her for her just to turn into a rust bucket, which is exactly why I bought this little 4x4 so that can be my winter truck. So the problem is I have a drain on the battery, so if I don't drive it about once a week, it'll end up being dead. I haven't figured it out. I've tried a couple times. It goes through a battery probably about once every year and a half now. It's probably on its third battery. I actually have a spare and Duramax cables to run a dual battery setup on it. I just haven't got time to do it. It's been on the back burner. So we're going to hook the charger up to her, get her started, and we are going to run her down to the car wash, get her washed up. We're going to clean the bed out. I've not cleaned the inside for 2 years. There's even still mud in the bed from when I broke it off-roading, and that's been a year ago. And I have not opened the toolbox since I was in the Marine Corps, and that was about 3 years ago. So I'm a little afraid to open the toolbox because I don't even remember what's in there, but I used to go off-roading a lot in California with some of my buddies, so it is probably just trashed inside there. So let's hook the cables up and get her started. I'm going to do a little 12 volt 2 amp. Says the battery was in yellow, that it's alright now. See, it kicked up a little bit, but that ain't true. I know that battery sucks. We got that charging. Let's check out the inside. See if the steps even pop out. Oh, they do. We got a little juice up in here. But I actually still have some mud up in here from when I broke it. So she's pretty nasty. I got a lot of dog hair up in there. See if my mag light even still works. There's my self-defense stick. Barely. But she's pretty dirty. I mean, I wanted to get all this cleaned off before wintertime. This is all the residue from when I did the Halloween decorations. And I haven't been able to get it off yet. But I'll get to it. Alright, let's check out the toolbox. Alright, as you can see right down there, this is all mud that's been in there for quite some time now. So we're going to remove the toolbox so we can take it to the car wash and wash it. And I don't even know what half this stuff was for. Now, this is some dirty stuff. That exploded. I think those are still good. That's not good. Hey, we still got some used seafoam. Maybe we can put that in the tank before we store it for winter. Something else exploded down here. Nasty. We got 2 bolts on each end, and we'll pop this out. Oh man. Oh, that's rock solid. I don't even know where that wire came from. Or that board. Or the gas cap. Whose gas cap is that? Hopefully all this is not rusted up underneath there. So that's the primary reason why I want to clean it. So we can get that mud out so it doesn't keep holding moisture in. Alright, she's been charging for a little bit. Let's see if she starts. Nope. I'm going to turn it to 12 volt 50 amps. Nope. Third time's a charm. We're going to fry her. 12 volt 225 amps. Way more than what you should be doing. Woo. Haven't started in like 3 weeks. over to my dad's shop. This is the new section we added on. This is where I rebuilt Betty White last winter, but we ran into a problem. We ran out of room. So we got 5 cars in here right now.
Yeah, half of it's your fault.
Yeah, half of it's mine. Because there's my black vet, there's my other vet. So once we clean out the garage and get the garage finished, that'll be at my house, which will free up some room. So we got to move some of this stuff around, pull my dad's truck out, pull my truck in, back it up as far as we can against the wall, and that way my dad can still pull his plow truck in for when it snows, because it's going to be a real nasty storm. Then we're going to grab some plywood for the garage so we can keep working on it. So let's get busy. Nice and tight. Alright, we got it all packed in. We got 6 vehicles in here now, so moved all the stuff over, got the stuff out the way. Betty White's sitting here chilling. Yeah, so this is probably where she's about to sit for the next couple months until the snow stops and the storms pass, and then we'll break her back out for summertime again. Alright, we stopped inside, said hi to the mom and pops, talked way too long. That winter storm is already here. We just ran to the truck and you can literally hear the snowflakes hitting the ground. This thing's snowing so hard. Oh my God. Alright, now it's time to get all this stuff cleaned up, and that way we can pull the truck in, because actually supposed to turn to freezing rain in a couple hours, so that's going to be absolutely miserable. So let's get all this cleaned up and get the truck inside here. So we finally got the garage cleaned up. It's pretty tidied up. We got some building supplies still. We have the seats, the bucket seats, all leather, heated electric, with the center console going in the black truck, so that's going to be a new video soon. All those are Project Vet parts for Matilda, and we got some more building supplies. So it's pretty organized, so that way when we finish up the rest of the garage, we can easily move some of the stuff out of the way. But we can finally pull the truck in, we can pull her car in, and it won't look too bad up in here. We didn't beat the beginning part of the storm. It did get pretty snowed. I just washed the truck today too, hoping that we could beat it. So we'll clean her off and pull it in. I'm really glad to get Betty White cleaned up and stored away for winter. Sad to see her stored away, but got to do what I got to do to keep her clean. That about wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a little different style than I normally do, a little vlog style. Also remember, please hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of the video, and hope you guys are having a great day, and catch you later.